This question is one of the most repeated JAMB UTME question, and as a matter of fact, a whole lot of students, they make a big mistake in answering this kind of question. But in the next 2 to 3 minutes, I will be teaching you how to avoid mistake whenever you have this kind of question. The question says that a boy receives the echo of his clap reflected by a nearby hill 0.8 seconds. So the time there is 0.8 seconds. If the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second, the symbol for the speed is v, which is 340 meters per second. And question says, how far is e from the hill? So how far, that represents the distance. So we are looking for d. So now, v, which is the speed, has its formula to be distance over time. We all know that speed is distance over time. The d here represents the distance, and then the t here represents the time. The distance is in minutes, and then the time is in seconds. So I can also have v to be 2d over t. Whenever you have it in your question that the sound got reflected, or you have echo in the question, then use v to be 2d over t. Again, whenever you have it in your question that the sound is reflected or that it is an echo, use v to be 2d over t. But in case you have nothing like echo, you have nothing like the sound getting reflected, use v to be d over t. Most students, when they have this kind of question, this is the formula they use. And the answer they are going to get, they are going to see it in the options. So please, whenever you have something like this, that the sound got reflected or that it is an echo, use v to be 2d over t. Alright. So now that we've known that the formula to use is v equals to 2d over t, what is the v given to us? That is 340. So 340 equals to 2d over the time given to us is 0.8 seconds. So if we do well to cross multiply, 2d times 1, that is 2d, then equals to, we have 340 multiplied by 0.8. Like I said, we are looking for the distance. So do well to divide both sides by 2. So d now equals to 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 170. And 170 multiplied by 0.8 will give us, so that will give us 136 meters. The distance is 136 meters, and that should be option B. I believe by now we can now see the difference between using v equals to d over t and also using v to be 2d over t. Thank you very much for watching through to the end. In case you enjoyed the video, please do well to like, share, and then subscribe. See you in the next class. Thank you.